Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can auto sort your sheet in descending order based on any change which you make in your Google Sheet. So basically this was a question from Philip, and he requested that as we update this sheet by checking a box to signal we completed a task, I want that person to move to the top of the list. How do I auto sort a column from A to Z, from Z to A every time I click on a checkbox? Is this a thing? Okay, so obviously that's possible using the Google Apps Script. There are some ways we can tackle this out with the formulas, but obviously for that we would need a different sheet. And but still I think still we would be needing app script in order to update the timestamp of any change which is made in the Google Sheet. So basically the solution which I proposed him for was through the Google Apps Script. So I'll just show you how you can use the Google Apps Script to implement that solution, and it's super easy. So let me go to the script. I'll be providing the URL of this script in the Google in the YouTube description, and now I'll just show you how you can use it. Simply you have to copy the whole script, and after copying the script you will go to your Google Sheet. I already have built a Google Sheet just to save the time. So you then have to go to the extensions, then in App Script. Here you will just paste the script, and that's it. It's ready. You just have to save the file and it's ready to be used. So let me show it to you how you can use it. So for example, if I add the test6 client name, you will see it will move to the top automatically. And not only that, if I just to show you and make it more clear, let me just highlight the row, for example, in the green color. Oh, sorry. And now if I make any change, for example, I take it as accepted, you will see test 5 have moved to the top. If I do same for test 2, for example, oh sorry, okay, I think it's back. Okay, because I made a change in the test 2, now it just moved it onto the top. So this is how it's working. For the questionnaire, obviously this is super easy. You just have to copy and paste it because I made the script specifically according to his requirements. But obviously even for him he have to make some changes because I didn't edit all the columns. So I'll explain how the script can be used. So basically the users have to make the changes only in these lines, and I'll explain what are these lines. So the first thing which you have to see is what's the name of your sheet. So for example, this demo sheet, the name of this demo sheet is sheet 1, and that's why I just put it this here. You have to just change it within the single quotes. Just ensure that you have to keep these single quotes, and within these single quotes you just have to put the sheet name. Once that's done, the next thing you have to do is that you have to check out what's the column number where you want to put the timestamp. And it's important to put the timestamp because using that timestamp the sheet will be sorted. So it's really easy. Either you can just count it manually like 1 2 3 4 5 6, or the other way is that you can just write is equals column, and here you can see it's the column 7. So you can just copy this out, and here you can see that's why I just put it the column 7. The next thing is that how many columns do you want to track for any changes. So right now I am tracking all the columns from 1 to 6, so I'm basically tracking all these columns. So if you want, for example, if you just want to track first 3 columns like A to C, you will just have to make the change from 6 to 3. And now if I just save the file, if I come back and if I, for example, tick this box, you will see it will not make any change in the sheet. But if I take this box, it will move it to the top. So this is how this is working. The next one is that how many header rows are there in your sheet. So in this one, because I was using just one header row, so I just put it. If you are using more than one header rows, you have to make this change as well. And also this is important because if you miss this out or you put 0, it will also sort the first line as well, which obviously you don't want. So this is how you can use the script. In case if you have any query, feel free to contact me. Thank you. Bye bye.